Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. If you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, go ahead and click the bell icon next to it. Today I want to talk about multiple streams of income and how I promote 5 streams of income using just one link. Okay? Now, I have a sales funnel system that I'm using to promote multiple streams of income. All I do is promote one link, and then the sales funnel system will do the selling for me of the multiple streams of income. Now, on this page here, on this whiteboard, this is how it's set up. The first income stream is a business opportunity where you have the ability to earn 100% instant commissions paid directly to you. Not to the company. Also, what you're buying in this business opportunity are products. They're digital products that include internet marketing, affiliate marketing, network marketing, e-commerce, CPA marketing, information, traffic generation, information that you can use in any business that you're in. You don't necessarily have to use that information for the business opportunity if you don't want to, but you can use it to promote your business opportunity. But you can use this information for whatever type of business you're in, or whatever type of business you want to start. Okay, if you want to start an e-commerce business, there's information about starting an e-commerce business in there. If you want to do Amazon affiliate marketing, there's information about that. But there's all kinds of internet marketing information delivered to you as a digital product, and there are several different product levels that you can choose from in order to buy. It ranges from $25 all the way up to $2,000. Okay, now the $2,000 product has some live events in it. You'll get 2 free tickets to a live event of your choice. Okay, so not only do you are able to get those products when you buy them, but you also get the resale rights to those products, and that's where the 100% instant commissions come from. So whenever you introduce somebody to that business and they choose a product level and they buy it, you get paid. Okay? Now, there's 4 other affiliate products inside of the sales funnel system I'm using, and they complement the business opportunity, meaning that these are products and services that you can use in your business. And you can use it in the business opportunity you're in, or you can use it for any business that you may be in. Okay? But the thing I like about this sales funnel system is that I don't have to promote each one of these products individually. I don't have to promote the business opportunity. I don't have to promote these affiliate products and services. All I have to do is promote the sales funnel. So all I have to do is drive traffic to a link, an affiliate link that will take them to the sales funnel, and the sales funnel will do the selling of each one of these affiliate products and the business opportunity for you. Okay? And not only that, you get almost a 90-day email follow-up sequence that you can plug into your email autoresponder, and there's information on how to do that inside the system, so you don't have to worry about that. And once it's plugged in, the people that come from the traffic you drove to your site, to your link, your affiliate link, those people, they end up on your email list. And as soon as they do, they automatically start getting an email follow-up every single day, taking them back to the sales funnel. You know, so because the truth is that probably about 99% of the people who see your offer the first time will not buy. They will not join your business opportunity. They will not buy your offer, whatever. It usually takes 6 or 7 times or even more times for a person to see your offer before they make a decision to buy. So that's why it's important to build an email list and do a follow-up with those prospects by sending out an email every day to them because giving them an opportunity to see your offer again, okay? Because it does take several times for them to see your offer before they decide to join you in your business, okay? So this sales funnel system will do most of this work for you. All you have to do is drive traffic to your affiliate link for the sales funnel. The sales funnel does the selling for you. It'll help you set up your email autoresponder with pre-written email follow-ups for almost 90 days, I think it is. And you keep doing that, eventually you'll start making affiliate sign-ups and making commissions from these different affiliate products in the business opportunity. Okay, so if you're interested in being part of a sales funnel system where all you have to do is promote one link and the sales funnel does the selling for you, go ahead and click the first link below this video in the description area and you'll get more information about that. I want to thank you for watching. Again, this is Michelle Roebuck. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.